guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make your own body butter. I make my own body butter at home these days. I don't buy body cream at all. This is the one I'm using at the moment, so I'm running out, so I'm going to make another one today, and I'm going to show you how you can make yours at home. It's very easy and it's all natural ingredients. So I use organic cold pressed coconut oil, and I use some pure shea butter, and I use some jojoba oil. So you can use any light carrier oil. You can use jojoba, you can use almond oil as well, or olive oil, but I use jojoba. And you need some cocoa butter. I normally like to buy my organic ones. Everything I prefer the organic ones, so I'm sure of what I'm getting. And then I use lavender essential oil, but you can use any essential oil of your choice, any scent you prefer. So I'm going to be using lavender. I prefer to use lavender. So for this, if I'm making my body butter for this jar, I normally use 60 ml of each of these oils. But I'm going to be putting this one, I'm going to be using this bigger jar today. So I'm going to use 80 ml cup. So you need 80 ml of each of the oil. So you can just adjust your the ingredients based on where you want to put your body butter once you've made it. So I'm going to be using a large jar, so I'm going to be using a bigger cup. So I'm going to be using 80 ml of each of the oil. So so an 80 ml of coconut oil, and then I need a glass bowl. So 80 ml of coconut oil. The shea butter already melted. What I do to melt my shea butter and the coconut oil is to put it in a bowl containing hot water, and it melts. So I don't use I don't put my oil in the microwave. So I'm going to put 80 ml of my shea butter. That's 80 ml. I haven't melted the cocoa butter, so I'm gonna add the cocoa butter, this cup of cocoa butter. Yep. So that's 80 of it. Okay, so I've added my coconut oil, my shea butter, and my cocoa butter. So I'm gonna add my 80 ml of jojoba oil. Okay, so that's 80 ml of my jojoba oil. Because I did not melt the cocoa butter before adding it to all the other oil, I'm gonna put this glass bowl with the oil in some boiling water in a saucepan, and leave everything to melt together, and I'll show you what next to do. Okay, so my oil has melted together, and that's the oil in the glass bowl. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge and for about 1 hour, or until it's almost solidified. So I wouldn't let it go too solid, otherwise it's going to be difficult to whisk because you're going to whisk it. So I'm going to put it in the fridge for 1 hour, about 1 hour approximately, and then I'll come back to show you what next. Hi, welcome back. So this has been in the fridge now for just a little bit over 1 hour, and what you want is for it to be like this and not completely solidified, because if it's completely solidified it's going to be a bit difficult to whisk. So I'm going to add my essential oil now. I'm going to add about 10 drops of my lavender essential oil. It's up to you. You can add as much as you want and whatever essential oil you want. So okay, so that's my essential lavender added, and then I'm going to whisk for at least 5 minutes. So gently whisk, otherwise it splashes all over the place. adjust the camera a bit so you can actually see the mixture. Okay, I'm not sure you can see that. Okay, so that's it, and I'm just gonna keep whisking. Okay, so I've whisked this for at least 5 minutes. I think it's a bit over 5 minutes. Let me just show you what it looks like now. So that's it. That's your body butter. And I'm just going to transfer it into my glass jar. That's it. Smells nice. So that's my body butter in my glass jar. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share, subscribe. Leave your comments and your questions below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.